Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay, and friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906, friends. Okay. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called uh, cold hip bath, friend. This topic I've covered in my last video. So friends, in our today's video, I'm going to start a new topic, and the name of this topic is Brahmacharya for women. Okay, and the name of this topic is Brahmacharins ancient and modern. So this is the name of the topic. So friends, let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, and friends, this is 86 number video, and the name of this topic is Brahmacharins ancient and modern. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this video, friends. Okay, in olden days there were brahmacharins in India. So yes, Swami Sivananda ji is telling, in the olden days there were brahmacharins in India. They were brahmavadins. They discoursed on Brahman. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling they were brahmadins and they discoursed on Brahman, friends. Okay, they did not wish to lead a life of grihastra dharmanis devoted to a householder's duty. So, friends, this women's were they don't wanted to live a house of a grihastha and perform their household duties, friends. Okay, they served the rishis and the sages in their hermitage and did Brahma Vichara or enquiry of Brahman. So, this type of women they stayed in the ashram of Rishi Munis and they did Brahma Vichara, that is the enquiry of Brahman. King Jansruti placed his daughter at the service of Rishi Raika. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling King Jansruti placed his daughter in the service of Rishi Raikva. You will find this in the Chandra Chandogya Upanishad. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that we are going to find this in Chandogya Upanishad, friends. Okay. Shulabha was a very learned lady. So Swami Swananda is telling that Sulabha was a very learned lady. She was born in a royal family. She was a brahmacharini. So Swami Swananda is telling Subhala was a very learned lady. She was born in a royal family and she was a brahmacharini. She was instructed in the religion of emancipation. She observed the practice of asceticism. So Swami Swananda is telling that she was instructed in the religion of emancipation, and she also practiced asceticism, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. She was firm in the practice that belonged to the mode of life she led. She was steady in her vows. So she was firm in the mode of life she led, and she was very much perfect about her vows, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. She never uttered a word without reflecting on its property. So Swami Sivananda is telling that she never uttered a word without reflecting to her property, friends. Okay. She was a yogini. She led the life of sannyasini. So Swami Sivananda is telling she was a yogini and she led the life of a sannyasini. She appeared before Janaka in the court and had great discussion with him on Brahma Vidya or the science of the self. So Swami Sivananda is telling she appeared in the front of Janaka and she had a great discussion on Brahma Vidya and the science of self, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Gargi was also a brahmacharini. She also was a highly cultured lady. So Swami Swananda is telling Gargi was also a brahmacharini and she was also a very highly cultured lady. She also had a length discussion with Yajna Valka on Brahma Vidya. So Swami Swananda is telling that she also have a lengthened discussion on the topic of Brahma Vidya. The dialogue between them come in the Brihandrayaka Upanishad. So Swami Swananda is telling the dialogue between them come in the Brihanlaka Upanishad, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. In Europe also there are many women who are celibate and who dedicate their life entirely to serve authenticity, prayer and meditation. So Swami Sivananda is telling not only in India but Europe also there are many women who are completely celibate and who dedicate their entire life to serve the authenticity in the society, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. They have their own hermitage. In India, they are educated women who lead life of brahmacharini. So they have their own hermitage. And friends, in India, there are women who live the life of a brahmacharini. Friends, okay. So this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They do not wish to marry. This is due to the force of good samskara of previous birth. So Swami Swananda is telling this type of human didn't wish to marry. This is because of their this is due to their force of samskara of their previous birth, friends. Okay. So this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They give education to the girls in the school. So this type of people give the education to the girls in the school, friends. Okay. So this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They give free tuition privately to poor girls and train them in sewing and other household work. So Swami Swananda is telling this type of people give education to the poor girls and they teach them the sewing to the household for the work, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They study a religious book and practice meditation in the morning and in the evening. So Swami Swananda is telling this type of person practice religious book and they practice meditation in morning as well as in evening. They do kirtan, they keep a daily spiritual diary. So Swami Swananda is telling they do kirtan and they keep a daily spiritual diary, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They conduct satsanga classes and kirtan among women. So this type of person conducted satsanga classes and kirtan amongst the women, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They train girls in the practice of asana and pranayama. So Swami Svandaji is telling that they train girls in the practice of asana as well as pranayama, friends. Okay, and friends, asana and pranayama is very important for the practice of brahmacharya and for the practice of celibacy, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. They give discourse on Gita and Upanishad. They deliver lecture on the religious subjects. So Swami Swananda is telling they give the discourse on the Upanishad and Gita, and they deliver the lectures on the religious subject, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. During holidays and on the important occasion, they hold religious conference for ladies on a grand scale uh, for mass spiritual awakening. So Swami Swananda is telling on the grand occasion they hold the grand occasion for ladies for the spiritual awakening and from the asanas and also the meditation, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. Sometimes they visit nearby village and distribute medicine freely to the poor. So Swami Swananda is telling this type of brahmacharin sometimes visit the nearby village and distribute medicines freely to the poor, friend. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They are equipped with the knowledge of first aid, homeopathy, allopathy, and the biochemical system of medicine. So, Swami Swananda is telling they are equipped with the knowledge of homeopathy, allopathy, and first aid and the biochemical system of medicine, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. They are trained in nursing the sick. So Swami Sivananda is telling that they are trained in nursing the sick. There is a highly educated brahmacharini who is well versed in Sanskrit. So Swami Sivananda is telling that there are highly educated in brahmacharini who was well versed in Sanskrit, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. English and Hindi who is the head of an institution for girls. So Swami Svananda ji is telling English and Hindi. Who is head of the institution of the girls, friends? Okay, so this Swami Svananda ji is telling to us in this topic. She maintained a free private school also for poor girls at her own expense. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that they maintain a free private school uh, also for the poor girls at her own expense, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. This is very noble service indeed. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that this is a very noble service indeed, friends. Okay. Such girls and women are really a blessing to the world. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling such girls and women are really blessing to the world. They lead a life of purity and self-sacrifice. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that they lead a life of purity and the self-sacrifice. They enjoy bliss, prosperity, and renown here, and will also attain the immortal abode of the supreme peace hereafter. Swami Swananda is telling this type of people live a pure life, and they also attain the prosperity and renown, with also attain the immortal abode of the supreme peace thereafter, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. The world is in need of more brahmacharis of the description who can dedicate their life in the service of meditation and prayer. So Swami Sivananda is telling that the world is in need of more brahmacharis of description who can dedicate their life to the meditation and prayer. There was a Maharani in the Easterville, United Province, who was simple dress. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that there was a Maharani in the Eastern Province in United States who were very simply dressed. Ate simple food, served sadhus and poor people, and always lived among sannyasins. So she used to eat very simple. She used to stay with sannyasis, and she used to serve as a sannyasin, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. She had a sound knowledge of the scriptures, and she did regular meditation and prayer. So Swami Svananda is telling that she had a sound knowledge of scripture, and she did regular meditation and prayer. She observed Mauna, or the vow of silence, for months together, and spent some time in solution and ruled her state also. So Swami Svananda is telling she had Mauna, the silent, for months, and she also spent some of the time ruled her state also, friends. Okay, so Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. There was an educated woman who was an MBBS. Her husband was holding a good position. So Swami Svananda is telling that there was a woman who was MBBS, and her husband was also holding a good position, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. She used to treat the patient freely. She did not charge any fees for visiting. So Swami Svananda is telling that she used to teach. Uh, she used to treat her patient freely, and she did not charge any fees for visiting. She did very good service to the society. So Swami Svananda is telling that she did a very good service to the society. She was not a job hunter. So Swami Svananda is telling she was not a job hunter. Her work was only to serve the society. She was free from greed. She did medical service in the purification of heart. So Swami Svananda is telling that she was free from the greed, and she did the medical service for the purification of the heart. She regarded medical service for the poor people as worship of God. So Swami Svananda is telling that she regarded the medical service for the pure and poor and the worship of the God. So she did medical service in the worship of the God. She looked after the house and served her husband. So in the same time she also looked after a house, and she also served her husband. She studied religious book and spent some time in meditation. So Swami Swananda is telling that she studied the religious book, and also she spent some time in meditation, worship and prayer. So also meditation, worship and prayer. She was an ideal woman who lead a glorious and peaceous life. So Swami Swananda is telling that she was an ideal woman who lead a glorious and peaceous life. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called Brahmacharins, ancient and modern. Friends, this topic, friends. Okay. And friends, In our next topic, I am going to cover the topic called lose life is not freedom. So this topic I am going to cover in the next video, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.